Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. In other stories, Highlanders Football Club has appointed South African Thabo Senong as their new head coach following the departure of Pieter de Jong at the end of the last season. Senong will be assisted by former Boso player Mkhokeli Dube. In a statement, the club said it was pleased to announce the appointment of Thabo Senong as the club's new head coach, alongside the return of Mkhokeli Dube as assistant coach, adding that Senong brings a wealth of experience at elite and youth level football and will be a valuable addition to the technical team. Highlanders confirmed that the decision had already been taken despite club sponsor Wicknell Chivayo proposing former Warriors captain Benjani Maruwari for the role. The club said further additions to the technical team and playing staff will be announced in due course. For more stories, please do like and subscribe, and please don't forget to comment as well.